Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English speaking practice series. Today, we're going to learn how to confidently order food in a restaurant. Many English learners feel nervous when ordering at a restaurant. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll sound natural and confident. Let's imagine you're entering a restaurant. The first thing you usually hear is a friendly greeting from the waiter. You can respond politely with a smile and say, "Good evening," or "Hi there." Then you'll be asked, "How many people?" or "Table for how many?" You can say, "Table for 2, please," or just 1, "Thank you." Once you sit down, the waiter will give you the menu. You might hear, "Here's the menu. I'll be back in a minute." Take your time to look at the menu carefully. When you're ready, you can say, "Excuse me, I'm ready to order." Now, let's practice how to order step by step. First, start with an appetizer or starter. For example, "I'd like the tomato soup, please." Notice how polite it sounds when you say "I'd like," instead of "I want." "I'd like" means "I would like," and it's the polite way to ask for something. Next, order your main dish. You could say, "I'll have the grilled chicken with rice." If you want to ask about ingredients, say, "Does this dish contain nuts?" Or, "Is this meal spicy?" These are very useful questions when you're not sure about the food. Then, the waiter may ask, "Would you like anything to drink?" You can answer, "Yes, I'd like a glass of water," or just "Water, please." You can also say, "I'll have an orange juice," or "a cup of tea, please." When the waiter repeats your order, listen carefully. If something is wrong, don't be afraid to correct politely. You can say, "Actually, I ordered chicken, not beef." Always keep your tone friendly and respectful. Now, after you receive your food, it's polite to say, "Thank you." When the waiter checks on you and asks, "How's everything?" you can reply, "It's great, thank you," or "It's delicious." If something is wrong, say politely, "Excuse me, this soup is a bit cold." Politeness always helps you get better service. After finishing your meal, the waiter might ask, "Would you like dessert?" You can say, "Yes, please." "What do you recommend?" Or, "No, thank you. I'm full." These simple responses sound natural and polite. When you're ready to leave, you can ask for the bill or check. In the US, people say, "Can I have the check, please?" In the UK, people usually say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Both mean the same thing. The waiter might ask, "Are you paying together or separately?" If you're paying for everyone, say, "Together, please." If you're splitting the cost, say, "Separately, please." In the UK, people usually say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Both mean the same thing. The waiter might ask, "Are you paying together or separately?" If you're paying for everyone, say, "Together, please." If you're splitting the cost, say, "Separately, please." "I'd like the grilled salmon. Could I have water, please?" "Everything is great, thank you. Can I have the bill, please?" These phrases are simple but powerful. The key is to sound calm, friendly, and confident. Don't worry about mistakes, the waiter will understand you. Speak slowly and clearly. That's the best way to communicate. Here are some extra tips for sounding more natural. Tip number 1, use polite words like please and thank you. Tip number 2, smile, it helps you connect with people. Tip number 3, listen carefully to questions before answering. Tip number 4, practice at home before you go out. Let's do a quick mini practice. I'll say a situation, and you can repeat after me. You enter the restaurant. Say, "Table for 1, please." You want to order a drink. Say, "I'd like a cup of coffee." You want to ask for the bill. Say, "Can I have the check, please?" Great job. Practicing like this builds confidence. The more you practice, the easier real-life situations will feel. Remember, ordering food in English is not just about grammar. It's about confidence, politeness, and clear communication. When you travel or go to an international restaurant, these sentences will help you feel comfortable and confident. Let's go over one full example. Good evening. Table for two, please. I'd like the chicken pasta with salad and a glass of water. Everything's great, thank you. Can I have the check, please? Simple, natural, confident. You can also learn how to sound polite with your tone. Try saying, could I, or would you mind? These sound softer. Example, could I get another glass of water, please? It's also good to learn how to respond if you don't understand. You can say, sorry, could you repeat that? Or, I'm sorry, what does that mean? These sentences show confidence and politeness together. Finally, always end your meal with kindness. Say, thank you very much, the food was great. A smile and polite words make every interaction better. So, now you know how to order food in English confidently. Practice these sentences until they feel natural. You can even practice with a friend or record yourself speaking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below with your favorite restaurant phrases. I'll reply and help you practice. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and stay confident. See you in the next lesson.